I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, you see what's going on here. Alright? This is a little clue as to what's coming in this box, but you see what's going on here. Go Panthers. Make sure if you're leaving your house, you're going anywhere, you have one of these bad boys on. I got this one from NFLshop.com. They got all your teams on there. They got all your masks. So make sure you pick up a mask so that we can leave the house and be safe. You got it? Alright, so I got my Panthers mask on. Got my Panthers mask. Got my Panthers hat. Got the Smitty jersey. Got the Smitty jersey. You know what I mean? Go Panthers. Alright? Now you see right there, Jake Delhomme jersey, retired, hanging up on the wall. Alright? Jake, go Jake. Alright? Now, let me take this mask off. At this moment, I'm a little disappointed in my team because of their treatment to the greatest quarterback, the greatest player in franchise history, Mr. Cam Newton. Alright? I'm a little disappointed in how they treated my boy. Alright? But I wish him the best of luck in New England. Alright? I hope he goes up there and he tears it up and he can lead that team to a Super Bowl. Because right now, I don't see us getting there. So, go Cam. Go Cam. Do your thing. My favorite QB right there. Alright? Now, let's get into this box, baby. Boom. Jordan box. Jordan box. You all know this box, alright? These are the Air Jordan 1 Low SE. Black, laser blue, and white. Alright? Retail on these was $100. I was able to get them for 20% off. So got them for 80 bucks. Alright? And it's size 14, of course. Alright, size 14. Now let's go ahead and get into these right here, baby. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go Panthers. You know what I'm saying? Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Whew. Let me show y'all something, man. Let me show y'all something else before I get into these shoes, man. I got this back in, I want to say I got this in 1993. I got this in 1993, man. If you've seen my earlier videos on this channel, you would have saw this maybe in the background, but I got this in 1993, and this was when they first announced the Panthers. Like, yo, there's a team coming to Charlotte. The team wasn't even there yet. Like, there wasn't even a team, but they announced that this would be one of the new teams. And a friend of my dad's, he drew this up for me. You know, this was, man, I was 8 years old. I'm 35 now. I've been carrying this around for all these years, man. So, go Panthers. I'm a true Panthers fan, man. I ain't faking it. Ain't no faking it. Put that up there. But, back to these, man. As soon as I saw this colorway, I said, go Panthers. Gotta get these, man. I have to own this shoe. Just for this. Just for this. Just for this right here, man. You know what I mean? Boom. If for nothing else, it's a game day shoe. You know? What you think about these, Wishbone? they straight? You like them? You don't give me a tail wag or something? No? Alright. He doesn't really care about cats like that. But, same as the pink ones that I showed in the previous video. Same material, basically. On the back, let's get the shoe tree out of here so we can check the quality. Quality, pretty soft, not the best. It's not going to be your OG high premium leather quality on these, but it's not bad. It's not too stiff, so no complaints from me. You got that electric blue laces there, and then on the inside it's that black Jumpman on the inside, if you all can see in there. Black tongue with the electric blue Jumpman there, and a white 2-3 here on the tongue, or on the laces I should say. White in the toe box area, white midsole going all around, white there, okay? White going around the back. So, very dope, man. If it was any other shade of blue, I probably would have passed on this specific one. But this is that Panthers right here. This is that Delone Panthers right here. You know what I'm saying? This is that Smitty. This is that Smitty Panthers right here. This is that Cam Newton Panthers right here. You know what I mean? So I had to go ahead and get these. Man, I hope Teddy Bridgewater can lead us to the promised land. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to discredit Teddy, but man, Cam was my guy, man. That was my favorite Panther. He helped me get past this guy because I was mad when this guy was gone, but this kind of bothers me. But you got that electric blue on the bottom as well. And on the back, you can see that Jordan Wings logo there. Very lightly, but it is there. It is there, all right? Black toe going around the front there, all right? And of course, you all can see the black swoosh, all right? Now, one thing I forgot to do when I did the video for the pink ones was check the right shoe for the laces, which I found out when I put them on feet. So let's go ahead and check out the right boy. Let's check out the right boy. And yep. Right shoe. Second. Alright, on the right boy. On the right boy, you also have the black laces. In case you wanted to switch it up from that electric blue and throw a little bit of that black on there, you do have the option. Alright? Now, let's get the right boy out of here. Let's go ahead and take these boys on feet. Alright, here we are on feet. Alright. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very clean colorway. Alright. Got that Go Panthers. You know what I'm saying? All day. Every day. Loyalty ain't never changed in the NFL. I might rock me a Cam jersey this upcoming season. I ain't gonna lie. That's my favorite player. But it's all day. Panthers all day, baby. Yes, sir. Boom, you see a Jumpman there. Alright. Now, for the size fit, of course, I'm a true 13.5. These are 14. They fit fine. Big toe right there. Got just a little bit of room. Not too tight width-wise. That's usually why I go up a half a size, is because of the width. So these are fine. Got enough room on the width, and lengthwise, they're pretty good. I would not go down half a size for me personally, but maybe if you want a more snug fit, you go ahead and go down half a size. Alright? Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's get a little bit of that booty view for you all, so you can get a view of that electric blue bottom. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Yo, these are definitely dope. They're still available on Nike.com. Also, the Hitman ones, the Bret the Hitman Hart. I didn't say that in the last video, but the Hitman, the pink and black Attack Jordan 1 lows, those are also available on Nike.com. So if you like these or those, make sure you head on over and pick up a pair. Yo, I look like a Carolina gang member right now. I look like a Panthers gang member with the hat and the... Let me take this off. But anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. We are on the chase. We are on the climb for a big Roth 3K. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and you tell your friends to tell other friends to hit the subscribe button so we can reach that goal, baby. But more content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.